A gorgeous 3+1 bedroom brick home with an impressive presence on a corner lot within the sought-after Pickering Village community of Ajax. Welcome to 1 Strickland Drive. A concrete walkway extends from the driveway across the front of the home, meeting concrete steps lined with stone at a grand front entrance graced with stately columns and a 2-story stone facade surrounding its double-door entry. A John Boddy home with just over 2,400 square feet of living space. Through the glass-paneled front doors is a sun-washed foyer which opens to main and mid-level living spaces, showcasing Brazilian hardwood flooring and pot lighting, as well as an incredibly warm and inviting ambiance. The living room has 2 bay windows with south and east-facing exposures for abundant natural lighting, while offering views of a side yard surrounded by wood and ornamental fencing, with both windows also having blinds for privacy as well as light control. This elegant entertaining space is open to the kitchen and its great gathering spot for friends and family, a large center island with seating that bridges the entertaining space between the 2 rooms. This stunning gourmet work area also showcases a stainless steel farmhouse sink, custom cabinetry with upper moldings, glass-paneled accent doors, interior and undermount lighting, soft closing hardware, and a pantry, stone counters and backsplashes, a 5-burner induction cooktop with the island, and high-end stainless steel appliances including a professional side-by-side fridge freezer, 2 wall ovens, a built-in microwave and dishwasher, as well as a bar fridge. And the kitchen additionally features a sliding door walkout with built-in blinds to the side yard. To the left of the foyer is a room well suited as a library or for home office use, with a south-facing bay window for natural lighting. And with textured glass French doors as an elegant entry, this space is also ideal as a formal dining room. The stairs to the mid and upper levels have the classic finish of hardwood treads and white risers. The upper stairs are also finished with hardwood railings with white spindles, and at mid-level is the fantastic entertaining space of the great room. Its large south-facing window and 2 west-facing accent windows allow for abundant warm natural lighting, and a wood-burning fireplace surrounded by a floor-to-ceiling stone mantel with wood accents brings additional cozy warmth. On both sides of the fireplace are built-in cabinets with wood boxes, and enhancing the incredible spaciousness of the room is a spectacular vaulted wood beam ceiling with a fan. The upper level also has Brazilian hardwood flooring throughout, with pot lighting brightening the hallway, and features 2 secondary bedrooms with ceiling fans, south-facing windows for bright natural light, and with the 3rd bedroom having a vaulted ceiling, while the 2nd bedroom features a lovely papered accent wall. These bedrooms share the common-use 5-piece washroom, which features a tiled floor and bath area, a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins, as well as the privacy of a water closet. Through a double-door entry is the beautiful master suite, which features a ceiling fan, a single closet, and a wall-to-wall built-in wardrobe surrounding its window, complete with 2 double closets, overhead cubbies, as well as a window seat overlooking the side yard with storage and overhead accent lighting. Its spa-like ensuite washroom showcases tiled finishes, a freestanding tub, a glass shower with wall niches, a water closet, and a vanity with undermount basins, as well as a separate storage vanity, both with stone counters. While just outside the master suite entry is a laundry room with a tiled floor, washer, and dryer. Outside the kitchen's side hall entry is a walk-in pantry behind bifold doors, And this side hall leads into a tiled flex space that has a powder room with an elegant vanity, as well as tiled steps and mid-landing to the lower level, with the landing having access to a double-car garage that includes 2 remotes and has a charging station. The professionally finished lower level is also ideal as an in-law or nanny suite and showcases laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, ample storage, a spacious family recreation area with built-in shelves, a dining area with a contemporary pendant-style chandelier, a kitchenette with an island, stone counters and backsplashes, cabinetry with glass-paneled uppers and undermount lighting, as well as a stainless steel sink, a 4-piece washroom featuring a tile bath area with mosaic borders and a vanity with undermount basin, a bonus room well suited as an office or hobby room, and a spacious bedroom with an oversized window and 2 double closets. A short walk to Eagle Ridge Public School, Pickering High School, Horn Park, a convenience store, and the Duffins Creek Conservation Area, as well as the boutique shops and fine restaurants of Pickering Village. This home is also close to the Riverside Golf Course, with the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the Durham Centre and Smart Centre's Pickering shopping plazas, the Ajax GO station, and access to Highway 401, all just short drives away.